Welcome to this brand new house tour in Kurunegala. If you've been looking for a modern, luxurious and spacious home, then this property is perfect for you. Let's explore this stunning house, located in a highly residential area and up for sale now. This newly built modern house was completed in 2021, and it's ready for you and your family to move in. With 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, this house offers plenty of space for everyone. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a grand living space, perfect for family gatherings and entertainment. The house spans an impressive 3,000 square feet, providing ample room for all your needs. The property sits on 15.0 perches of land, ensuring you have enough outdoor space to enjoy. Outside, there's a spacious garden where you can relax, play, or even start your own garden project. Parking space is also available, providing convenience and security for your vehicles. This house is strategically located, with easy access to amenities. The Muttettugala railway station is nearby, making commuting a breeze. The highway entrance is just 800 meters away, allowing for quick trips to other cities. In addition, you'll find the Kurunegala Town just 2 kilometers away, with the picturesque Kurunegala Lake Round just a 5-minute drive. The Kurunegala Hospital is within 10 minutes, ensuring medical facilities are within reach. For your shopping needs, you won't have to go far. There are textile shops like Nolimit, and Sriyani DP just 9 minutes away. Everything you need is within easy reach. All these incredible features come at an asking price of 33 million rupees. And remember, the price is negotiable after inspection, so make sure to give us a call to arrange a visit and see the property for yourself. If you're interested in this beautiful brand new house for sale, don't hesitate to contact us. Call us now at 07559545567 or 07261688894. You can also reach us on WhatsApp using the same numbers. Thank you for joining us on this house tour. We look forward to hearing from you and helping you find your dream home in Kurunegala. Don't miss this opportunity. Give us a call today. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting property tours. Until next time, goodbye.